Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to borrow money from Gcash. First, start by launching the Gcash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from Google Play Store or Apple App Store and complete the registration process. Once you're on the Google home screen, look for the G-Loan feature. This is where you can access Gcash's borrowing services. Tap on it to proceed. Before you can borrow money, you need to check if you're eligible. Gcash typically requires you to have an active Gcash account, verified ID, and a good transaction history. If you meet these requirements, you should be able to apply for a loan. Tap on Apply for a Loan or Get Started in the G-Loan section. You'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to borrow. Gcash will show you the available loan options and terms based on your eligibility. Review the loan options presented to you. This includes the loan amount, repayment terms, and interest rates. Choose the one that best fits your needs and tap on Select or Apply. You'll need to provide some additional information to complete your loan application. This might include personal details, income information, and other relevant data. Fill out all required fields accurately. Double-check the details of your loan application. Make sure everything is correct before you submit. Once you're satisfied, tap on Confirm or Submit. After submitting your application, Gcash will review it and determine if you're approved for the loan. You'll receive a notification regarding your loan status. If approved, the funds will be transferred to your Gcash wallet. Once you have the money in your Gcash account, you can use it as needed. Keep track of your repayment schedule to ensure you make payments on time and avoid any penalties. A few important tips you might want to know is to ensure your Gcash account is fully verified and active. Also, understand the interest rates and repayment terms before applying, as well as making timely payments helps maintaining a good credit history and avoids additional fees. And that's it for our guide on borrowing money from Gcash. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you on the next one.